Electron versus Tauri versus Neutralino, best desktop application framework. Now, pretty much depending on you as a user and what you're more flexible with and what you would prefer will pretty much base on what technically is best because it always depends on the user. So we're gonna go ahead and be comparing pros and cons of the three tools or desktop application frameworks. We're gonna go ahead and start with Electron here though. So this is an original web-based desktop framework combining Chromium and Node.js into a packaged JavaScript app. It's pretty much widely used and mature, powering apps like VS Code, Slack, and Discord. So it's a massive ecosystem and plugin support, which is perfect for JS developers and rapid prototyping. Uniform behavior across platforms since each app bundles its own Chromium with a huge community, extensive documentation, and compatibility with countless NPM modules. Although it does have large bundle size and high memory usage, slower startup and battery heavy, which is less optimized for low resources devices, and security surface that is large. So Node.js, APIs, and bundled Chromium require careful patching. But more on that later, we're just gonna go ahead directly to Tauri over here. Now this couples a JavaScript HTML fronthead with a Rust backend and renders the UI using the operating system native web view, and it's known for lightweight builds and strong security. Latest stable version is Tauri 2.2.5, which is released back in January 2025. There's an extremely lightweight app bundle, often 3 to 10 MB, that uses significantly less RAM and CPU. Its strong security and fine-grained permission model thanks to Rust backend and WebView sandboxing with a faster setup time and smaller disk footprint. This is ideal for battery conscious or minimal apps. Anyway, with the cons though, Rust-based backend adds complexity, steeper learning curve for JS-only developers, UI inconsistencies across OS web views with smaller plugin ecosystem and fewer pre-built templates compared to Electron. And finally, over here we have Neutralino.js. Now this is more of a minimalist desktop framework using lightweight native binaries plus a local HTTP server and WebView. It's designed to be even lighter than Tauri and easier to start without Rust. But this has a very small runtime only, so bundles under 2 MB, minimal memory consumption. Fast development, startup, and build cycle, so no Rust compilation delays. Straightforward JS API for basic native functionality without heavy tooling. It has limited features though, and ecosystem, which is documentation and community being less mature. No mobile support and lacks cross-platform backend code reuse. Developers that must manage platform-specific logic manually. But for a final verdict, if you want a robust, widely supported framework and work primarily in JavaScript, then Electron remains the easiest path, even if the app size and resource usage are substantial. So for developers seeking lightweight performance and smaller builds and greater security, Tauri over here is the modern standard, though it requires Rust familiarity and careful UI testing across platforms. Meanwhile, Neutralino.js offers the simplest setup and minimal memory footprint ideal for small-scale tools or prototypes, but it does lack the feature depth and ecosystem polish of the others. So, hopefully the information of this video can help you though, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.